why didn't I prepare for this? I knew it was coming.
The reason I went to university is my horse had just died. I know how it sounds. And I'd every guy at home at least 4 times. I'd run out of things to sit on. So I was like, right, time to cash in those UCAS points.
Feminists should be fixing the sink 50% of the time.
Oh, look at you, won them over.
And we still get paid 25% less for it. It's unbelievable.
Siri went, can I help you at all? I went, you can work the balls, mate. Radio silence. And I don't know why I did it, but I just took his willy and I went, is this thing on? Which is not.